I feel like we cover the three base colors that you really need to kind of either be loud or very be discreet. And here are the three options that you'll get. What's going on, guys? So right here we have our Foundation Cybertruck that we picked up this week. But we covered this up. We covered the Foundation badge that goes right here. And that's what happens when you do really any vinyl, color PPF. The only time it doesn't really cover is if you do like gloss PPF, paint protection film. You can obviously see through it. And also matte, you can actually see through a little bit of it. However, most vinyl colors or really anything like this is not going to show at all. But we put this vinyl, ignore this, we didn't even tuck it in just to kind of show you a demonstration. The right placement is supposed to go right flush with this fender flare, okay? So that's what we ended up doing, and then we confirmed that with multiple Cybertrucks that we did after that. We'll put a photo here about how it looks OEM, but if you look at it closely, it's etching. It's a laser etching, so it looks very subtle. Unless you really look close, it doesn't look like it's there. Probably when you're about like 4 foot, you'll start seeing it. So I feel like we cover the three base colors that you really need to kind of either be loud or very be discreet. What we produce is this vinyl template. You don't want to put this super like permanently, of course. You just want to lightly put it, just like that. And you're just creating that template. And here are the three options that you'll get. This is going to be gloss black, and it looks perfect for satin or matte finishes like this. And it makes it pop a little bit more. And then of course there's going to be a white, so this is a gloss white. This also looks really good. And this is my favorite. This is called matte clear. So what it does, it takes the color of the film that you put on your Cybertruck and essentially it gives it that subtle look, just like the etching. So this is what I like the most, to be honest. So this is what we're going to be installing right under here. You want to get the all-call that's also provided in our Foundation badge kit. This is just an all-call white. And then go ahead and clean it before you do it. And then this is going to go right up to it, like so. And you're going to give it a good squeegee first. So you want to make sure, especially the series, this is the one area that really doesn't want to stick. And then once you squeegee it, you can go ahead and remove it slowly to ensure that everything pops. And the alignment is you want to put the F right by the top, okay? So you want to make sure that that's good. Boom, just like that. And then you're going to go ahead and squeegee. And one. Good squeegee. Good. All right, so now that we have the Foundation badge, you can actually take the white out and just slowly peel and come from the top and then work your way down. And you can see, go very slow. And then you want to just make sure that everything, the Foundation badge, completely done. And I love this look because you see, this looks like matte black or almost like matte gray, but this will take the color of whatever the film is behind it and give it that nice subtle look. But before we install the other two, make sure you click on that subscribe button. We have a lot of Cybertruck content coming in the next few weeks, so please click on that red button. So this is going to be the gloss white. I'll do my best to get the right comparison. And then I'll also do gloss black. So these are the three colors that we currently offer. This is going to be the gloss black, this is the matte clear, and this is the gloss white. Personally, again, I love the matte clear just because I think this will go the best with really any color. But I'm not gonna lie, the gloss black looks awesome over sand black or even matte black. I think it looks really, really good. The foundation on the white, if you want a heavier contrast and you add black, I mean, that you can see that from a mile away. But this can be a lot louder if you had a very bright color like white, and then this is black. So it all depends on the color combinations that you want. If you have any color options and maybe you want red or you want blue or something like that, let us know. We can definitely do it. But typically we do that in a custom order basis, so it's not like we carry it. But these are the 3 that we keep in stock. We've took a lot of time to kind of source the correct material so we can weed this properly, so that the series, for example, they look clean and it weeds well and it's aligned as well. On top of that, this is going to be perfect to coat over, and it will be pretty long lasting. But what do you guys think? Let us know in the comments below of which 3 colors you like the best. And just a reminder, our do-yourself full vinyl wrap kits do actually come with this. Hopefully you guys learned something. Make sure you click on the subscribe button. We got a lot of Cybertruck content now that we have the Foundation series here. So stay tuned for more content. We'll see you later.